Density. The lightness or the heaviness of an object is directly related to its density. In general, substances that have high density are heavier, whereas substances that have low density are lighter. Density of a substance is defined as its mass per unit volume. It is symbolically denoted by the Greek letter rho. Rho is equals to mass per unit volume. Now the units. Units of density, we have the two systems, CGS and SI. Unit of mass in CGS is gram, SI is kg. Volume is centimeter cube, in SI it is meter cube. Therefore, density, which is mass by volume, is G centimeter to the power minus 3 kg meter to the power minus 3. Relative density is the ratio of the density of a substance to the density of water at 4 degrees centigrade, and this ratio is also known as specific gravity. Relative density, because it is a ratio of two substances, it has no unit. Mathematical expression for density is given by rho is equals to m by v, that is mass by volume. Let us do one numerical on density. A rectangular piece of wood measures 4 cm by 6 cm by 8 cm and has a mass of 2 kg. We have to find out the density of the wood. To find out the density, we need mass, we need volume. Mass is given 2 kg, volume is given by the measure of the sides of a rectangular piece. 4 cm, 6 cm by 8 cm. So the volume is 4 into 6 into 8 for a rectangular piece, centimeter cube. That comes to 192 centimeter cube. Because we know that the volume of the wood is length into breadth into height, and length, breadth and height is given. So we are multiplying and we get 192 centimeter cube. Now check, the mass is given in kg and the volume is in centimeter cube. So either we are going to change mass into gram, that is in CGS unit, or volume into meter cube, that is in SI unit. That means both the unit of volume and mass should be in the same system of units. Here I have changed mass of wood into CGS unit. Therefore, density in CGS unit, we divide 2000 gram by 192 centimeter cube. We get 10.41 gram centimeter to the power minus 3. Because centimeter cube is in the denominator, so when it goes up, it becomes minus 3. That means per centimeter cube. Then we have changed it into SI unit also. Suppose in the sum they have asked that give the density of wood in SI unit, then we can multiply with 1000 and get the density in SI unit. We have multiplied by 1000 and we get 10410 kg per meter cube. In this sum, the mass of the solid is given 1.5 kg, and because it is irregular, the initial reading of water level is given, we have to find out, and the final reading after the solid is dipped inside is also given. We have to find out the density of solid. We will first find out the initial measurement of the water level that we can see is 55 ml, and the final reading after the solid is immersed in water is 80 ml. So we write the initial reading is 55 and the final reading from the measuring cylinder we get 80 ml. Because the readings are in ml, we write in ml. Therefore, the volume of the solid, when we subtract the final and the initial volume, we get 25 ml. Now the density of the irregular solid. Because it is irregular, so we used a measuring cylinder. Density is given by mass by volume. Here mass is given 1.5 kg and volume we found out 25 ml. 1.5 kg by 25 ml, we know 1 ml is equals to 1 centimeter cube. Therefore 25 ml is equals to 25 centimeter cube. But then also it is not in the same system. The mass is in SI system and the volume is in CGS system. So we changed mass into gram, that is 1500 grams by 25 centimeter cube, we get 60 gram per centimeter cube. Speed. In our daily life, we see the cars moving fast, bicycles moving slow, and this movement, fast or slow, we express by speed. The definition of speed is the distance travelled by a body in unit time. Mathematical expression, speed we denote by V, which is distance per unit time, distance denoted by S, and T, time. So V is equals to S by T. These are the alphabets which we use in physics to denote speed, distance and time. Units. Because speed is equals to distance by time, so in CGS we get unit of distance is centimeter, SI unit of density is meter, and time is second in both the system. So speed is equals to centimeter per second in CGS system, whereas meter per second in SI system. Higher units which we use, which does not fall into any system, is kilometer per hour. In this sum, a train is moving at a speed of 180 km per hour and the distance covered is 4,500 meter. We have to find out the time. Distance covered is 4,500 meter, but speed is given in kilometer per hour. So here we have changed kilometer per hour into meter per second by multiplying 1000 divided by 3600. We get 50 meter per second. Now speed is equals to distance by time. V is equals to S by T. Therefore time is equals to distance by speed. 4,500 divided by 50, we get time, that is 90 seconds. So the train completes the journey in 90 seconds.